Everyone, okay? Everyone or every person or everybody. For example, hello everyone. Hello. Good morning everyone. Everyone or every person or everybody. Okay. Okay everyone. Today you're going to wear animal costumes. To practice. I'm going to be a tiger. Listen. In the last lesson we talked about jobs. I'm going to be a doctor. I'm going to be a mechanic. That's for job. And this is for practice. Practice. I'm going to be a tiger. Tigers are fast. Or maybe a cheetah. Or maybe or possible. It's possible. Or perhaps. Perhaps. What is it? Perhaps. What is it? Or maybe a cheetah. Are tigers faster than cheetahs? Look here. Look and repeat. Are tigers faster than cheetahs? Adam? I think they're slower. I think they're slower. They're slower. Cheetah is fast. Cheetah is fast. Tortoise is slow. Okay, some animals are faster. Some animals are like cheetah, like the lion, like the monkey, Some animals are slow. Some animals are slow. They move slowly. Okay? That's nice. Photo number 2, right. I'm going to be a noisy animal. Repeat. I'm going to be a noisy animal. Noisy, you know noisy? When I say, stop, don't make noise in the class. I am noisy. Noisy. Children are noisy. Some students are noisy. Right. Repeat. I'm going to be a noisy animal. How about a giraffe? Or a monkey? Who is noisy? Giraffe or monkey? Monkey is noisy. Monkey is noisy. And giraffe is quiet. Giraffe is quiet or calm. Calm. What is it? Calm. Okay, right. That's nice. Repeat. I'm going to be a noisy animal. I'm going to be a noisy animal.